Hello YouTube and welcome diecast enthusiasts. Another little individual box opening here, and this is from Inno64 once again. And I did show you some of my Japanese police inspired vehicles a few, probably just over a week or so ago. Now this is another one that I've had delivered to me very recently, so I just thought I would show you it. It's a this is going to be hard to pronounce. Kanagawa-Kenkei Japanese police car from Inno64, as I say. We take it out of the packet or sleeve. It's a Nissan Skyline GTR R32. As always, we'll take this acrylic lid off carefully. They're always quite stubborn, these. And this one is very stubborn, but I'm always very careful because certainly in this case where we've got aerials, I do not want to cause any damage to them. Now, in my opinion, this is quite a nice casting and it's a very well done model. Got separate inserted rear lights there. And a rear spoiler, of course, on the boot or trunk. Number 520 on the roof and on the rear screen with this nice red light bar. Take a slightly closer look. It's very good paint finish. Now, as I said when I showed the last video of these Japanese police vehicles, I've just acquired some by accident. I didn't set out to collect them as such, but because they're all very nice, I will certainly hunt down others if they're out there, because they do look quite nice on display. And this one will certainly be a nice addition to the other 5 or so that I've got. It's a right hand drive, black interior. Again, we've got inserted lights on the front and this on the hood, which I'm really not too sure what that does. Some form of deflector of some sort, not too sure. Also, we've got 2 of the emergency lights on the front there, quite delicate, you can see there. A very nice model, a lot of detail, I think. So there's the lettering on the base. I won't attempt to pronounce it again. So I'll just leave off by saying take care, stay safe of course as always, and bye for now.